Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another recipe for you guys, which is creamy white pasta. So today in this recipe I'm giving it a twist by not adding all-purpose flour to make the cream for the pasta. Instead I'm using cashews and milk to prepare the cream. These ingredients are very easy to find at home, isn't it? So with just 5 to 6 ingredients we'll be preparing this pasta. This is a simple yet delicious recipe. I hope you will like this. Please try this recipe at home and please let me know in the comment section below if you liked it. So without much delay, let's get started.
We will start with boiling water in a pot. I'm adding 1 cup of penne pasta in it. Add salt and mix well and let it cook for 10 minutes. While the pasta is boiling, we will prepare the cream needed for the pasta. For the cream, we need 10 to 15 raw cashews, 1/4 cup of milk, one tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Grind it well to make a thin paste. Once the cream is ready, we will go back to the pasta to check if it is cooked. If it isn't fully cooked yet, we will leave it to boil for another 1 to 2 minutes. Once the pasta is cooked, turn off the flame and drain the water from it. Now heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. Add boiled pasta. Mix it well. Add salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 10 to 12 cherry tomatoes sliced, half yellow pepper sliced. Now give it a good mix. Now add the freshly prepared cream into the pasta. Mix it well. If you like your pasta to be more creamy, then you can always add water or milk in between and make it more creamier. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of parsley, now mix it all together and let it cook for 30 seconds. Pasta is now ready. This is a very simple yet delicious dish which can be prepared with minimum ingredients. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.